Finding the correct replacement parts for your AAA pressure washer pump starts with identifying the correct model number. This guide walks you through where to find it and how to use allpartsinc.com to quickly and accurately locate the right parts. AAA series pressure washer pumps typically have a model number printed on the pump in several different locations. The first location is on the top on the model plate, on the back cover, or in this example, on the bottom near the barcode. If you cannot locate the pump model number, use these alternative methods. Locate the full pressure washer model number off the tag on the unit, which is typically located on the frame. Or take a clear photo of the pump and send it to our text line at 269-447-0412 for customer service assistance. Once you have the model number to your pump, go to allpartsinc.com and in the search bar, type the model number in our case, 530060, and from the drop-down menu, select your pump. On the landing page for your pump, you'll have the option to either purchase it, look at parts diagrams, or scrolling towards the bottom, you'll see our related items section, which will give you alternative pumps, and the quick moving parts down here with the outlet fitting, valves, seals, unloaders, and manifolds as a few examples. If you don't find what you need from the related items, you can scroll back up and open up the parts diagram, expand the exploded view, find the part you're needing from the list, select your part, and place your order for the part you're needing. If you have any further questions or issues, and you'd like a second opinion on whether the parts you're looking up are correct for your unit, you can always go to our menu tab, click on Contact, and give us a call or shoot us a text message. Correctly identifying your AAA pump model number ensures you get the right parts the first time. Taking a few extra minutes to confirm this information can save time, reduce returns, and prevent ordering errors. For replacement parts and kits, visit allpartsinc.com.